Hi, what I wanted to talk to you about today was the difference between traditional chiropractic care and NUCCA or upper cervical care. My name is Dr. Kuhn. I'm a practicing chiropractor in Edmonton, Alberta. I've been practicing NUCCA in the city for about 20 years now almost. And I have a history in my family going back to the 1920s of chiropractic. So I've got a decent basis on which to draw on to talk to you about it. Now to start with, if we wanted to talk about traditional chiropractic care, it's probably what most people think of when they think of chiropractic care. It focuses on manual adjusting of the spine to correct local misalignments, which are often referred to as subluxations. And the goal is to restore normal joint function, reduce pain, and improve the overall movement to the spine. Now these adjustments can be applied in multiple areas of the spine or the extremities. They often involved an audible popping or clicking sounds as the joints are realigned. And chiropractors who practice these more traditional methods usually address a broad range of musculoskeletal issues such as back pain, neck pain, headaches, or even joint pain. That said, NUCCA care, which stands for the National Upper Cervical Chiropractic Association, is a highly specialized form of chiropractic care, and unlike traditional chiropractic, NUCCA focuses exclusively on the upper cervical spine, the very top two vertebrae of your neck. This area is crucial because misalignments in this area can disrupt the entire nervous system and lead to a wide range of issues such as migraines, sciatic, and postural imbalances. The NUCCA adjustment itself is quite different from what you'd expect from traditional chiropractic care. Instead of using forceful manual adjustments, NUCCA uses a precise, gentle correction that doesn't involve any of the popping, cracking, or twisting that is often associated with chiropractic care. And the goal is to bring the head, neck, and spine back into proper alignment with the least possible amount of force, allowing the body to heal itself naturally over time. So now that we've addressed that, what are some of the key differences between NUCCA and traditional chiropractic care? Well, let's break it down. To start with, the focus area. NUCCA focuses, as I said, entirely on the upper part of the spine and is really focused on readdressing the head and neck alignment back to neutral because that tends to be the controlling factor for a lot of postural issues and a lot of internal body systems. Now with traditional chiropractic care, they will address numerous different areas depending on where your complaint is and where the fixations are found. And they'll often do this in multiple different areas across any given visit. Now the adjustment technique is another big difference. NUCCA will use a very precise and gentle pressure to the upper part of the neck while you're laying on your side on a stationary table. It's more of a prolonged adjustment. The touch is very light. It doesn't involve very much force. And so a lot of patients don't even know that something's happened. Whereas traditional chiropractic care, most people are aware when something has gone on. It involves a lot more manual manipulation of the joints in very precise areas and alignment to try and get things to move. And it's focused a lot on where the restrictions are and in liberating those joints from the restrictions so that function can return. They use what's called a high velocity, low amplitude adjustment, which is one that gives the body a quick thrust, a quick brief thrust into the joint that keeps it within its normal motion so there's no damage that's being done if it's being done properly. However, there isn't often a popping or a little bit of a jolt that'll occur. Finally, it's in the approach to healing. In traditional chiropractic care, patients often require a lot of regular adjustments over a longer period of time as the body's kind of encouraged and coaxed back into balance. Whereas with NUCCA care, we often see people a lot less than traditional chiropractors would because it's really focused on keeping and maintaining your alignment, and the adjustments don't need to be done as often. Now that we know the differences between the two, who's really going to benefit from traditional chiropractic care or NUCCA care? Now, traditional chiropractic care is a highly effective care for people who are dealing with localized joint or muscle pain, and it's commonly used for conditions like back or neck pain that's due to muscle strain or spinal misalignment, sports injuries, recovery from physical trauma, or general joint pain including like knees, hips, and shoulders. It's often chosen by athletes or active individuals who are looking to improve mobility and recover from injuries faster. NUCCA chiropractic care, on the other hand, is more ideal for individuals who are dealing with issues that are related more to the central nervous system and overall body balance. So this would include people who suffer from things like chronic migraines, headaches, sciatic and nerve pain, vertigo, balance issues, postural issues, or noticeable uneven hips and shoulders. Because NUCCA focuses on the alignment of the upper neck, it has a profound impact on how the nervous system communicates with the body, and it often results in relief from long-term or chronic conditions that haven't responded well to other more direct treatments. Now, it's important to note here that while we'll see improvements in a lot of different symptoms with NUCCA care, we're not really treating the disease itself or the symptom itself. We're treating the overall imbalance in the body that's causing an underlying stress that leads to those problems. So if you were curious about it, contact a NUCCA doctor near you to find out. So then why would you choose one over the other? When it comes to deciding between NUCCA care and traditional chiropractic care, it really depends on the specific needs of your body. If you're dealing with general aches, muscle tightness, or just acute pain in a certain area, traditional chiropractic care might be the best fit for you. It's versatile and effective for a wide range of musculoskeletal type issues. However, if your issues are more chronic, especially if you've got like migraines, sciatic, or balance problems, NUCCA might be the more effective approach, particularly if other interventions have not gotten the results you're looking for. NUCCA's precise focus on lasting alignment can have a broader impact on your overall well-being, especially for conditions that are otherwise resistant to other forms of treatment. So in conclusion, which one is the right one for you? Now, at the end of the day, both NUCCA and traditional chiropractic care are highly effective tools for improving spinal health and overall well-being. The key is understanding your unique needs and finding the approach that works best for you. If you're unsure about the best step, the next best step is to consult with a chiropractor with knowledge of both or who specializes in one form of care like NUCCA to discuss what's right for your condition. Our doctors at Providence are happy to take a brief and free phone consult with you to provide more information or to book an initial consult to give you a much more thorough and investigated determination of whether we think NUCCA care would be right for you. You can reach out for either of those options at providencenucca.com, and we'll be happy to assist you with your particular issue or point you in the right direction if we don't think we're the right fit. Thanks for your time. I really appreciate it. Again, I'm Dr. Ben Kuhn from Providence Clinic, and I hope you have a great day.